Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel, and I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Like every week, we are presenting all the latest government job updates in finance domain for this week also. So please stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And let's begin. So friends, first a reminder for those who have still not applied for these 10 vacancies of lower divisional clerk published by Tata Institute of Social Science, are deemed to be university funded by UGC Ministry of Education, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for, as I said, is for lower divisional clerk, and the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree along with an English typing speed of 35 words per minute. Friends, here the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply, as there is no mandatory experience requirement for this particular vacancy. And friends, the package would be 4 lakhs per annum. So friends, hurry up, as the last date is in fact today, that is 3rd October 2021. So friends, before move ahead, an important piece of information for those who applied for senior accountant at NHPC, or have applied for management trainee finance at BDL, or have applied for junior field officer or field officer finance and accounts at SJVN Limited, or have applied for deputy superintendent accounts at MGVCL, or finally have applied for finance and accounts officer at ONGC Limited, please visit our website financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus, which consists of more than 50% weightage in all of these exams, is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. And friends, we have added explanation for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity. And not only this, there is an email support for clarification of further doubts if raised by candidates while practicing these contents. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by chartered accountant and cost and management accountant, which gives the course a professional edge and in-depth coverage of the entire technical syllabus. And friends, if you log into financemcq.in and take a demo, you will realize that the entire system is designed in such a way so as to give the candidate a real exam-like environment. So friends, everything is there for your assured success. So do visit financemcq.in, take a demo and decide yourself. All the best, friends. Moving on, next vacancy is from Assam Electronics Development Corporation Limited, also known as AMTRON, which is the government of Assam undertaking. So friends, here the recruitment is for junior executive officers. And friends, they have not categorically stated the number of vacancies reserved for finance, but overall there are 17 vacancies for computer science, finance and HR. And friends, the education qualification for junior executive officer is BCom with 60% marks. And friends, the upper limit here is 44 years, and all are permanent vacancies, and in all cases freshers are eligible to apply. And here your per month pay scale would be 22,000 to 87,000 every month. And friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 23rd October 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Friends, here the recruitment is for assistant manager finance. And friends, again here they have not categorically stated the number of vacancies reserved for assistant manager finance. However, there are total 7 vacancies for programming network, electronics engineering, computer engineering, HR and finance. So for assistant manager finance, your education qualification should be either MCom or BCom, or preference will be given to an CA Inter or CMA Inter or CS Inter. So friends, here again the upper limit is 44 years and the place of posting would be Guwahati. So these are permanent vacancies, friends. But as far as experience is required, if you are having more than 60% marks in your education qualification, then you need to have 3 years of experience. However, in case you don't have 60% marks, then in that case you need to have 6 years of experience at supervisory level. And friends, here your per month pay scale would be 30,000 to 1,10,000 every month. So friends, here again you'll have to apply online latest by 23rd October 2021 to AMTRON Limited. Moving on, next vacancy is from Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, a central public sector enterprise wholly owned by Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 3 vacancies of junior office assistant at New Delhi. So friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation with at least 55% marks along with a typing speed of English of 40 words per minute or Hindi of 30 words per minute. So friends, here the upper limit is 28 years. These are permanent vacancies, and again freshers are eligible to apply. And friends, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 21,540 to 77,160 every month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 27th October 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from University of Allahabad for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of section officer. So friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks, and desirable qualification asked is either a CA Inter or a CMA Inter. And friends, here the upper limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies, and friends, in this case you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy, and your per annum package would be 8.5 lakhs. So friends, you'll have to apply online to the university latest by 23rd October 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation, Training and Research, which is under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of storekeeper at Cuttack, that is in Odisha. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline, and the upper limit is 30 years. So friends, again a permanent vacancy, and here you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy, and your package would be 5 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 5th November 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited, which is a joint venture with equal participation from Government of India and Government of Maharashtra. So friends, here the recruitment is for 4 vacancies of Accounts Assistant Finance. So friends, the education qualification asked is BCom, however preference will be given to CA Inter, CMA Inter or an MBA Finance. So friends, here the upper limit is 32 years. These are permanent vacancies, friends, and in this case you need to have 1 year of experience in metro rail or railways or government organizations or PSUs or metro related industries. So friends, here your per month pay scale would be 25,000 to 80,000 every month. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 14th October 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Science, Education and Research, which is under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 5 vacancies of Assistant Personnel Officer at Bhubaneswar. So friends, education qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter or graduation with minimum 55% marks. Even friends, a postgraduate in any discipline is also eligible to apply. Friends, here the upper limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies, friends, but here you need to have 8 years of experience in either government or government aided organization or any of the PSUs. So friends, here your package would be 8.55 lakhs every year, and you'll have to apply online latest by 15th November 2021. So friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so you can directly click there and apply for your vacancies. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from State Bank of India for the recruitment of 314 vacancies of relationship manager on all India transfer basis. So friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation and the upper age limit is 35 years. So friends, these are contractual vacancies, and you need to have 3 years of experience as relationship manager in wealth management with leading public organization or private organization or even foreign banks or broking or security firms. So friends, here your package would be between 6 to 15 lakhs every year. So friends, you'll have to apply online to SBI latest by 18th October 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from SBI for the recruitment of 217 vacancies of customer relationship executive on all India transfer basis again. So friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation and the upper age limit is 35 years. So friends, again all are contractual vacancies and there is no mandatory experience. However, experience in documentation requirements of financial products will be preferred. So friends, here the package would be between 2 to 3 lakhs. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 18th October 2021. So friends, next vacancy is from Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, which is a Mini Ratna company under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So friends, here the recruitment is for 7 vacancies of data entry operator across Guwahati, Dibrugarh and Silchar. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation and the upper age limit is 30 years. So friends, these are again contractual vacancies and again there is no compulsory experience. However, preferably they have asked for 2 years experience in aviation or cargo industry. So friends, here you will get a consolidated amount of rupees 15,834 or 13,130 every month depending upon the place of your posting. For example, in Guwahati you will get 15,834 while at Dibrugarh or Silchar you will get 13,130 every month. So friends, you will have to apply online latest by 7th October 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 20 vacancies of supervisor and 9 vacancies of senior supervisor across Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Silchar or Raipur. So friends, the education qualification is again graduation and the upper age limit is also same, that is 30 years. So friends, these are again contractual vacancies and the preferable experience asked is either 1 year in aviation or cargo industry for supervisor, or 2 years experience in aviation or cargo industry for senior supervisor. Friends, here your per month consolidated amount will be 18,564 if you will be working at Guwahati or Raipur, while it will be 15,834 if you are posted at Dibrugarh or Silchar in case of supervisor. And friends, for senior supervisor, the consolidated amount is 20,384 for Guwahati and Raipur, while it will be 18,564 for people who will be working at Dibrugarh or Silchar. So friends, you will have to apply online latest by 7th October 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from HPCL Biofuels Limited for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of accounts officer at Bihar. So friends, the education qualification asked is BCom along with a CA Inter or CMA Inter qualification. So friends, the upper limit is 55 years here. These are contractual vacancies and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy, and you will get a package between 2 to 3 lakhs every year. So friends, you will have to apply offline to HPCL Biofuels Limited latest by 16th October 2021. So friends, that's all for this week. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with some more updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.